Kapum area. Kapum area lục phòng gọi nó. Protest adon don he condemn silman don he sai 20 May 2026 ko.
Hãy quay ra điện thoại bác ạ, có cùng cái tàu này trên mà, trên nó là cá được không? Hãy không ai được không?
Once more.
Bring them back! Alive! Bring them back! Alive! Safe return! No silence! Safe return! No silence! Safe return! No silence! Six brothers missing! Humanity first! Release them now! Humanity first! Release them now! Humanity first! Humanity first! We stand for justice. We stand for truth. We stand for truth. No more distorted lies. Justice. No more justice. No more distorted lies. Truth cannot be buried. Justice. We won. We won. Justice delayed. Justice denied. Thank you everyone for giving heart and soul together to put forward our slogan.
Working Naga, we Naga Send military Padopri Holikova, Magi Nuki, Magi Agar, Magi Musi, Magi third members they have also lied to the lady, cut to the lady. How do we control them? I think the government should respond immediately now.
My name is Donwilio Bonmai and I'm from Makan village. As we all know, the reason why all the women of Kaubru range are here, we are demanding our 6 Naga brothers that was captive by the cookies, and then we want to know the reason. It has been 5 days that they have been captive, and then we don't know. Like 5 days is a very huge number, and then we don't know. Like I want to question. Where are they? Are they even still alive or dead? Why are their status is not still updated? We want to know. And my question again is, what are the government still doing? What are they still doing? What are they still looking for? Why are they not taking the situation very seriously? Why are they taking so lightly? We elected the government so that they will protect our life, our dignity, our safety. But no, here, you are here, like you, as if like you are deaf, you are blind. You don't see anything is happening in our society, in our like our situation. You don't listen to our situation now. I just want to say that the government must take up the action immediately, or otherwise, if anything happen in the future, the cookies will be responsible for the life that they have been taken.
Yeah, this protest is against the hostage of our 6 brothers who have been kept hostage since 13th May till now. We don't know their whereabouts, whether they are still alive or dead. So we are here to say that we're not happy. We don't want this culture of keeping hostage of the innocent civilians, this nature. And then the government, the responsible government, is not doing their work. The popular government and even the central security forces, after deployment of additional security forces, nothing has been done yet. So we are here to show our unhappiness, our anguish that the innocent civilians should be released at the earliest. Yeah, the government is in fact communicating with our Apex organization, that is UNC and the other frontal Naga organization. But in fact, till now there is no any satisfactory response from the concerned authority, and that's the reason why everyone is not happy, and we want them to release at the earliest.
AZ Joint Tribe Union, Tamenglong area, that Tamenglong Impui Union gi, Impui Women Union gi, muhut oina laksabde ngang zabne. Ngasi ako'y na layri base, ako'y na ngasi sit-in protest tawri base. Nandi date 13 gi May da Gojim amadi Gotland da thokiba wathok adugi matungda la Bonsakul gi civilian singbu pastor ani yauna phakiba adu ngasi phawba thadok tabagi akhoi mayamna nungaite yaningde hujiksu tekta kaidana moi halakpa akhoi mayamna ngairi mama sing akhoina nupi sing akhoina imong gi machin manau sing mayamna akhoi moibu khawrang na ngairi masak uningba church ki missing na aduga machin manau iba akhoi mayamna moibu ngairi moibu phajin khiba terrorist sing natraga aduda chenaba missing do athuba manungda state government aduga central government na athuba manungda thabak oina pangthokbiyo phabiyo adu phajin khiba sing adu athuba manungda thadokbiyo haibisi haijeninbane moiba thadok tri phawba akhoisu tumma chaba thakpa khangdaduna akhoisu waminara le konsakul gimi sing itin ngau sing akhoi waminara ga le haiba si hairaga tension jalage